Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a charging station for KUKA mobile platforms. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is set up the charging station. To do that, we need to plug in the cable for 110 charge and switch the breakers on the back. Make sure the e-stop is released and the charging station will power on. Okay, so once we have the charging station set up, we're going to go into KUKA AMR Fleet and set it up in the software. So we want to go into scheduling, layout, district, and go into edit graph for the desired map. A new window will pop up, and from the tab on the left, we're going to add 2 nodes into the map. We're going to link these nodes together, and we're going to click on the marquee tool and align these nodes. Once we have that set up, we go into the charge entry node, right click and go to edit. From the window on the right that pops up, we go into function and click on the base function settings and select charge enter node. You will get settings to link your charging station into the fleet manager. This is optional, you don't have to do it. You can click on charging node to link the actual charger to the charge enter node. Click on the actual node and select the charge direction. This is relative to your map. Mine is going to be 0 because it's in the positive X direction of the map, and I'm going to choose a robot type for what I'm using. Once I have that set up, I'm going to link my charger to the existing graph. So once we have the charger linked to the graph, we're going to go into the edge going into the charger, and we're going to change that into 180. Because the charging port on the KMP is in the back. Once we have the graph set up, we can save it, go into map monitor, refresh the map monitor, and the new changes will show up. And if we click on the robot, we can send a manual charge mission to the robot.
Industrial intelligence.